Hi everyone, welcome back to Gedo. Today we will show you how to replace the charging port flex on the Huawei P20 Pro mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and take out the SIM tray and then follow with the back cover removal. In here, we are using a heating pad to remove the back cover. Place the back cursor on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option and leave it till it completes. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. While you are taking out the back cover, be gentle, the flash sensor is attached to the back cover. To unplug the connector, move the back cover to the left hand side and undo the plug. Take out the back cover and take out the board frame with the pad by undoing screws. Undo 9 screws and lift the frame using a pry tool. Next, unplug the battery connector. Next, move to the bottom and undo 7 screws to take out the bracket. Next, take out the not working charging port flex by disconnecting connectors from both ends. Next, place the new charging port flex by connecting from both ends, and then secure the bracket by adding 7 screws. Next, secure the battery connector to the logic board. Next, place the board frame with the pad by adding 9 screws. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Next, connect the flash sensor plug and place the back cover on the body. Finally, we are adding binding to tie in the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.